How to use Aave Defi protocol, quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Aave Defi protocol. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to aave.com and you will land right here. Aave is a liquidity protocol that allows you to earn interest, borrow assets, and build applications. I'll show you how you can use Aave as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. First of all, once you get to aave.com, this is their official website that we can open up and we can launch our app. It has its own app. So I'm just going to click on launch app and it will take us to Aave protocol, or it will take us to app.aave.com. Here, the first step that you need to do is connect your wallet. So you can connect any type of wallet right here with the supported networks. I will be connecting my MetaMask, which is a Ethereum wallet. So if you do not have a wallet as a complete beginner, then what you can do is you can get a MetaMask by just going to metamask.io. So once you connect your wallet, then you will be able to check all of the different options. It will unlock the marketplace for you and the stake option and other options that are available with Aave protocol. So Ethereum is supported with Aave, so we have connected our wallet, we're good to go. First of all, we have our dashboard. This will show you your balance that you have in your wallet. Moving on, we have our assets such as your supplies and your borrows. Scroll down to see the assets to supply and assets to borrow. This is actually the marketplace for Aave, and I will be able to check all the information, different assets to buy and to borrow. Of course, the marketplace is pretty huge, and all the tokens that you're looking for are available on this protocol. Are like you have Ethereum, then all of the tokens are available on Ethereum with this protocol. Moving on, we also have a marketplace that will allow me to explore the marketplace in depth, and I will be able to see all of the assets on the blockchain, on the network that I have on my wallet. For example, I have connected Ethereum. You can also connect other wallets if you want to. So with Aave, I have connected Ethereum and now it's showing me all of the Ethereum assets. So it's actually a really good platform to go for if you're looking for a protocol to actually borrow and to supply. Then we have the stake option as well, where we will be able to stake. Now, I just wanted to give you a tour around. Now you know everything, like a basic different tools that are available on the app. So we have assets to supply. Let's say I want to supply. I will check this marketplace right here. We have all of the different assets. We have BUSD, LUSD, SUSD, TUSD, USDC, Aave, BAT, DPI, Engine, Mana, Link. Then we have RAI, Asset, Uni, Worth, Ethereum, and others. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this to check it out. You will be able to see your wallet balance, API percentage, can be collateral or not. Then we have supply option and the details. Click on the details option. It will open up the token, the asset for you. I have opened up BUSD, which is also known as Binance USD, and it will show me the graph for it. I will be able to see the supply APR for the token that I have selected. So we have API percentage given, we have total supplied given, and we have some of the information about our wallet. Borrowed info. So this is about the borrow of the same token that we have. API variable given and the graph as well. You will check out your token and you will connect your network. Before we continue, I would also like to mention that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, staking, and dealing with tokens also involve a risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto, then you can get started. That being said, let's continue. So you can see this is the supply. The same is going to be for the borrow. So what you will do is you will check the assets. We have the available APY variable, APY stables, borrow option, and the details. Again, if you want to check the details, click right here and it will open it up for you. Using Aave protocol is really easy, and it's one of the protocols that allows you to actually, check the details, and it also gives you a freedom to kind of like explore the marketplace. The marketplace is actually really impressive on Aave protocol. So if I take you the market now, you can see we have assets. We have total supplied, supply APY, total borrowed, borrow APY, and others. Again, the details. Scroll down to explore the marketplace and you will be able to get the option. Let's actually switch to the stake option now and let me show you how to stake with Aave. First of all, what you will do is you will select your, if you want to stake Aave, you will select it right here. We have some information such as staking APR, maximum session, wallet balance, and the stake option. Then we have staked Aave and claimable Aave. This is going to be according to the period. For example, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, and this is going to be per month. Similarly, if you want to stake ABPT, because what happens is, actually, let me give you some information here. Aave holders can stake their Aave in a safety module, which is going to be Ethereum network only. So Aave supports Ethereum. That's why I also connected Ethereum here. To add more security to the protocol and earn safety incentives in case of a shortfall event, up to 30% of your stake can be slashed to cover the deficit, providing an additional layer of protection for the protocol. So this is what it's about. We can stake the simple Aave, and then we are also getting a protection in case of a shortfall event. And up to 30%, what will happen is that we will be able to slash our Aave and we will be able to cover our decify with the additional layer of protection. So if you understand how the staking works, then it will become really easy for you if this is sounding a little complicated to you guys. So this is how you will stake on Aave protocol. It's really easy. In more, we have some other options such as Discord and GitHub, and then we have buy crypto with DeFi. So the buy crypto option is available not directly with Aave, but it will take you to the Transact, and you can actually buy crypto with your Transact. So you can see right here, you will pay and buy Ethereum really quickly if you want to deposit funds directly to your Aave protocol. So it's actually a very good option available on Aave. A lot of protocols don't support buying crypto directly, but it does. That's actually really impressive. Let me take you back to the dashboard. So on our dashboard, you can select your network, and with your network, we have some of the other, as I said, it does support Ethereum for the staking. But you can see we can, with our MetaMask, I can not only get my Ethereum network, but I can also get Arbitrum, Avalanche, we have Phantom, Harmony, Optimism, and Polygon. So let's say I want to actually check out the assets on Polygon. I will click on Polygon right here, and it will actually open up my wallet for me. On my wallet, you can add Arbitrum or Polygon on MetaMask really easily. There are already a lot of videos on this channel on how to add Polygon network on your Ethereum, how to add Arbitrum, how to add Avalanche, so you can find them. Now, I have assets for Polygon. You can see all of the different tokens. The process is going to be similar. Let's switch to the marketplace, and you will be able to see the Polygon assets now, Polygon market. You can switch to any of the markets you want to with this option right here. And it will show you some of the total market size here, total available, total borrows. Scroll down to check the marketplace. If you want to open any of these up, what you will do is just click on it and it will open it up for you. You have supply info, you have borrow info. Here you will be able to supply and borrow, actually enter all of the information. Again, it depends on your wallet. You can, if you have funds in your wallet, then you will be able to avail the option right here from supply and borrow right here. Open the token up, then you will get open the asset, and here you will be able to stake and borrow. So it's actually really easy. I'm just giving you a beginner's tutorial about the Aave protocol, and you will be able to now actually check out the protocol and avail all of the different options, because now you know your way around Aave protocol and the app.aave.com. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.